What would you actually put in your body if you were building the most powerful AI on the planet? You could afford absolutely anything you wanted. Every single exotic compound, every longevity peptide, every $50 pill currently available. And yet Sam Altman, the chief executive of OpenAI, deliberately chose just 4 cheap, almost boring, everyday drugstore supplements. His entire daily list is short enough to count on one hand, and it costs almost nothing. 4 plain supplements, plus 1 prescription drug that has absolutely nothing to do with vitamins at all. The boring 4 come first, because the reason he chose them is quietly the smartest part here. Here is the first clue. None of these 4 are random. They all plug the same gap. Sam Altman is a vegetarian, and a meat-free diet quietly leaves a few very specific nutritional holes. First is B12, the spark that keeps your nerves firing and your red blood cells full of energy. He takes the methylated form, which simply means it arrives already switched on and ready to use. Next comes omega-3, the oil your brain is built from, the part scientists label EPA and DHA. Then iron, the fleet of delivery trucks that carries oxygen from your lungs to every working muscle. Run too low, and you feel exhausted, which is why doctors track your stored iron, called ferritin. Last is vitamin D3, a sunlight signal telling your body that things are safe and working properly. None of it is exotic, none of it is expensive, and so far, none of it is surprising. The fifth item is where things get genuinely strange, because it is not a supplement at all. It is metformin, a cheap prescription drug that is normally given to people managing type 2 diabetes. Altman is not diabetic, so why would a healthy man take a diabetes drug every single day? Metformin gently convinces your cells that fuel is a little scarce, even when you have just eaten. That faint hunger signal flips an ancient switch that tells the body to repair and clean house. Scientists call that switch AMPK, and it is the same one flipped by fasting and hard exercise. So Altman is making a quiet bet that mimicking a little hardship might slow down aging itself. Science is still genuinely debated, and this is a prescription drug, not a casual daily habit. Here is the part almost everyone online completely misses while they argue about which brands he buys. Altman did not copy an influencer or just grab whatever was trending on a popular health podcast. He spent a full year running quarterly blood tests to see what his body was actually missing. Then he treated the results like real data, adding only the few things his own numbers demanded. That is why his stack is short. It is not a trend. It is a personal prescription. So the real takeaway is not his actual list. It is his method. Test first, then decide. You really do not need to copy a billionaire to sound like the smartest person at brunch. Now you know what is hiding in his stack, and far more importantly, you know exactly why.